guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new POV in the Volkswagen Scirocco. It's been a long time since we actually did my last POV. We've obviously got the Cobra exhaust on and I've been loving it at the moment. Literally, I've even put down my back two seats to be able to hear it more because they actually deaden so much of the exhaust noise. It's crazy. We've obviously blacked out the wheels. They look absolutely fire. Literally, I think that's my favorite mod so far. Carbon fiber mirrors, blacked out badge. Come on, this car is really coming together now. I'm absolutely fucking gassed. Hopefully you guys are seeing. I am taking it slow, but it's going to look like a fucking beast by the end of it. Oh, we also got this new Wheel Finesse steering wheel on. Shout out to Wheel Finesse. But we've got the Pandora system on. We can actually start the car from my keys. Boom. It will actually start now. A lot of people say it takes ages to start, but of course it's going to take ages to start. It's got to check that it's not in gear so it doesn't fly off. Put the brakes on. And just like that, it's now on. And we're ready to drive. Before we actually get going with the POV, I would like to introduce you guys to an amazing service that I've been using, and that is Car Vertical. If you are in the market for used cars, listen up. So what is Car Vertical and what does it do? Well, it's actually quite simple. Car Vertical is a car history checker. Did you know that the used car you may be looking at may have been in a crash or had its mileage tampered with? Car Vertical can actually let you know if a car has been in a crash before, which is definitely something you want to know before purchasing it, as it may have underlying problems due to it which may cost more money to repair and may be unsafe for you to drive. It also gives you many other details like stolen check, mileage check, service history, outstanding finance and other information you will want to know. Click the link in the description and check out Car Vertical below. If you click the link, you will also get 10% off automatically. Anyway, back to the POV. We're actually going to hop straight on the motorway to Redditch. Let's fucking go, mate. Pop it in manual for a sec. Woo! The air filter is still so noisy. Let's have a little. Oh, look at this. Look at that. And we're on, boys. Just like that, we're off the motorway and we're now in Redditch, I think. We're just about to join the dual carriageway, I think. So we have got a speed off. Motherfucker, oh my god, they are coming. Why are you coming fast for? Yeah, boy. That lorry let me out. I got threads. Now pretty much we are in Redditch. This is where, firstly, I'm actually gonna come get my car coded because Apple CarPlay still isn't working. It's not activated. So I'm gonna come here and get it activated. And secondly, this is where we came to got Pandora fitted. Hi there, it's the other stuff. Who the fuck is the other stuff? Oh. So big up Pandora, we might even pass them today. I think we're not chatting shit. I think there's actually a tunnel here. Oh shit, no there is there not? My god, what is this? How bloody hell? Oh, there it is. Hold on. Let me know what you guys are thinking about the exhaust, steering wheel. Remember, we are getting a new carbon steering wheel, like literally fully. It's got fucking lights on, let me tell you. We're going down to Cardiff to get it installed by my guys at Wheel Finesse, the guys who did this steering wheel cover. Just you fucking wait for the levels on this. Listen, the turbo flutters never get old, man. This is the thing, you've got the exhaust which is really subtle in the low revs, and then once you get to the high revs, the exhaust takes over from the air filter, but the air filter is really loud in the low end. So I think when the exhaust gets heated up a little bit, it proper bangs, and we're definitely gonna get it remapped at some point, mate. Mate, I'm going fucking Lidl, mate. I don't want to go Lidl. Oh, that's beautiful, mate. 1, 2, 3. Bro, somebody needs a guard. We need to hire a gardener, mate. Gee, you left your indicator on, I think, mate. You left your indicator on, mate. You left your indicator on. I definitely feel like this car needs more power, and I definitely feel like this car needs to be louder. So obviously I want to get a D, not a D cat, I want to get a sports cat. I think it's sports cat downpipe, is it? I don't know. Anyway, let me know. Sports cat downpipe, which is legal, but it's just more free flowing, so it'll be louder. It might not be very noticeable, but I want it a little bit louder. Or we might go straight pipe, or no muffler at the back. We might try and get like just a pipe. Because I feel like I turned it on without a muffler, and it was really nice. It was like it was a nice loudness, wasn't too obnoxious, but it was still obnoxious. You know, you get me. We definitely need to get a remap. I'm looking for people who can remap cars at the moment. So hit me up if you know anybody. Get people to get in contact with me. I want like a professional, reliable remapper. I think everybody does, but I want like a subtle. I want an increase in power and definitely an overrun. I think that's what they're called. When it pops on like deceleration, but it doesn't pop all the time. I want it to be very subtle. This will be my first ever remap. I'm obviously quite skeptical because it is my first time. This is actually, guys, this is actually like an exclusive for you. This is where DMO's Golf R was crashed, right here. This junction. I'm not going to say particularly how the guy crashed it, but he was driving it. There's Pandora right there. Look, that's where I was the other day. Come out there. That is literally 2 seconds away from DMO when like they heard. That's why they heard the accident so loudly, because it was literally right next to them. I was actually there on the day that they crashed the Golf R, or the guy crashed the Golf R. Pretty sad, you know. I would have took it happily. Golf R for the Motorway. Oh, there it is. Whoop. Downshift to first. Oh, I think I just shit myself. I need to pull over and check if I shit myself, honestly. If only you guys could hear this in real life. Look at that car, fucking hell. Beautiful, man. Now guys, we do have like very exciting stuff happening with the channel. I promise you, in the next month, there's gonna be something that's exciting for the channel, as well as like just my life. I'm quite excited about. But stay tuned, subscribe if you're not already, and well, we got some bangers coming. We've got remaps, and there's one specific thing that I got to keep secret from you lot, but it's gonna be beautiful, lads. It's going to be beautiful, you trust me. The maddest thing is I've gone in circles this whole time. I've gone in absolute circles. Like, I feel like I've been here. This is where Pandora is. Woo! this. Look at this Audi.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Fucking hell, straight in the right lane. Bloody hell, it sounds like it's literally braking. My golly gosh. I gotta say, still like usual, it's very underpowered in... What is that rattling? I haven't broken something, have I? Yeah, it's very underpowered when it hits 5k RPM. People tell me to rev right up to 6k, but it just loses, absolutely loses power at that point. So I'd say the sweet, obviously if you want to get like, you know, the full use out of the gears, then fair enough. But if you want to like feel the power, you kind of shift like 4.5 RPM, 4.5k, and then you're all good, lads. I took the wrong exit. I don't know where this is going. First exit, yeah. Oh. Bloody hell. Fucking hell. I feel like I got air there. Jesus. There you go, lads. 50 speed limit. Don't piss me off. Back in drive. Oh my god, it's getting loud in here. Jeez. Oh yeah, look at that, bro. That was like a dip in a dive, bro. I felt fine, except for my head. It went a little bit funny. And look, this Volvo's just kept up like no, it's nothing. This is what I mean. When I'm thrashing on these POVs, it's just how normal people drive, mate. Are you joking? The wrong person was to watch this and be like, oh, he's not very, he's being a dangerous. Bruv, look at his Volvo, man. He's just kept up like he's fucking nothing. Look, automatically downshift. Those pops need to be louder. I want to be able, I want, within a 5-mile radius, you to be able to hear those pops. I want to have PTSD from driving this car, you know what I mean? Fucking road, he was just smiling. Right then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Subscribe if you are new. Hopefully you guys are liking all of the modifications we've done to the car so far. There's plenty more to come, and there's plenty more exciting things to come. Follow me on Instagram at @OtherStuff. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you faces in my next POV. What?